It's Todd the Dirt Man. It's Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. It's a Dirt Man exclusive. We are doing, what are we doing today? Josh, what are we doing today?
Dirty shrimp.
Dirty shrimp today. Oh yeah. One of my all-time favorite Todd's Dirt recipes is using dirty shrimp. We are going to be using the Chesapeake dirt, the Bayou dirt, a little garlic, some olive oil. We're going to use some baggies, and we're going to put them all on a beautiful skewer. Let's get started. So right here in a plastic bag, we're not doing a whole lot of shrimp today. Normally I would use a much bigger bag because, man, this stuff, let me tell you something. I'm talking to you here, Dirt Man talking to you. This shrimp with the Todd's Dirt is, oh my gosh, this is good. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Let's take out some olive oil, and we are going to pour it right in the bag. Probably about a quarter cup of olive oil, and we are going to throw, and you do not need the garlic, but I like the garlic, and I like kind of a lot of garlic, so that's 2 teaspoons of garlic. And then this one, we are actually going to use the Chesapeake dirt because, you know, it's great for seafood. Very similar to Old Bay, not as salty, not as overpowering. So let's go. So we're going to put about, approximate. Let's go 2 tablespoons of the Chesapeake dirt in here. Close up the baggie. Let's shaky. You hear the music? I'm playing. Shake. Take this, and we're gonna just throw the shrimp in there. Close it up. Dirt Man, you're getting dirty over here today. Close up the baggie. Mix it up really good. There's that one. Get a quarter cup of olive oil. I like the extra virgin. 1, 2, and then we'll throw the Bayou dirt in there. About approximately 2 tablespoons. I like it thick. The thicker, the better. The more you put in there, the more dirty it's going to be. Shake it up. Don't break it, baby. Shake it. Throw the shrimp right in there. The shrimp goes, oh my God, I'm ready to get dirty. Jump in. All right. Close it up. Mix it up really good. Mix. How easy was that? Now we're gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Put it on the grill, saute it in the oven, or on top of the oven. It's gonna be fabulous. Let's meet you outside. Let's put these bad boys on. All right, so we got the cuckoo for Bayou. Oh, listen to that sound. Let's put the Chesapeake dirt right on here. Oh yeah, it's time to get dirty. We'll flip these over in just a couple minutes. Okay, it's time. I can't wait. Let's check them out. All right, look at that shrimp. Oh, look at the colors on that, Josh. It looks yummy. Oh yeah, pretty. Another minute and we'll be done. They're ready to come off now. You're gonna love it. Oh, Josh, come over here and zoom in on here. Look how pretty that they look. Look how beautiful. It's blackened right here. Look at the Chesapeake dirt. Oh, they're gonna be yummy. All right, dirt lovers, this is it. Look at this. Some dirty shrimp, and I absolutely love it. You're gonna love it. So this is good as an appetizer. It's good to have as a meal. It is just absolutely fantastic. You mix it in with salads and things along those lines. So let's try them. Here's the Chesapeake. The flavors of the Chesapeake dirt really bring out the shrimp and the flavors of the shrimp. There's a little dash of cinnamon and nutmeg in here that just really works with the shrimp. It tastes so good. Let's try this bayou. Not on. Oh yeah. This is finger licking good. And you're gonna love it too. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick video, little dirty short of dirty shrimp. My God, it just keeps paying back. All the spice, just enough salt, boldness of flavor starts moving and grooving. Make your taste buds do a little dirty little dancing. Make you do a little dancing next time you cook this. Hope you enjoyed this dirty short. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.